Learning from an Excel ebook helps you quickly and effectively master the software. Books provide clear, organized concepts and practical examples, making complex functions easy to understand. They offer step-by-step instructions that guide you through each feature, ensuring you learn how to use Excel in real-life tasks. By following a well-written Excel book, you gain confidence in using the program, which boosts your productivity and accuracy in the workplace, ultimately enhancing your overall skills. Why learn MS Excel? Let's go. Xlook, if, and filter are powerful Excel formulas for finding data, making decisions, and sorting information. Knowing these all functions helps you do most of your work quickly and accurately. Microsoft Excel is the 5th most important skill in the world. It's used everywhere for tasks like data analysis, budgeting, and managing projects. Its wide range of features makes it a key tool in many jobs, showing that knowing how to use Excel well is crucial for success. An Excel ebook offers 100% practical content, in-depth and colorful explanations, and hyperlinked pages for easy concept navigation. It includes practical exercises for Excel formulas and links to YouTube videos, making learning interactive and effective. In this ebook, navigating through the content is seamless and user-friendly, thanks to hyperlinked tables of contents. Each chapter and section title in the table of contents is linked directly to the corresponding page, allowing readers to jump to specific sections with a simple click. This feature enhances the reading experience, making it easy to find and reference information quickly without the need to manually scroll through pages. Enjoy streamlined access to all content with just a click. Every example formula in this MS Excel book is thoroughly explained, offering clear, step-by-step guidance. This Excel ebook breaks down each formula step by step, providing clear instructions and practical examples. Each formula is presented with practical examples, making it easy for readers to understand and apply Excel's powerful capabilities in their own work. The MS Excel ebook includes helpful third-party videos for each concept, making it easier for visual learners to understand and apply Excel features effectively. These videos provide clear, practical examples alongside text explanations, enhancing understanding and mastery of Excel's features and functions. An Excel practice worksheet designed for real workplace scenarios offers hands-on exercises to enhance practical skills in using Excel functionalities such as data analysis, financial modeling, and report generation, fostering proficiency and confidence in handling real-world challenges. By applying functions, formulas, and features within familiar workplace contexts, users gain valuable experience in manipulating data, creating insightful visualizations, and producing accurate reports.